When talking about manipulating and retouching images, everyone immediately thinks of Photoshop. And that is because it is the industry standard application for amending and improving images. The amount of things you can do to photos is mind-blowing. You can easily remove things you don't like or add any details you wish. In this chapter, we are going to learn everything you need to know about how to use all the retouching tools like the clone stamp, the healing brushes, the liquify filter, and so much more. We will practice techniques on portraits, and we will also learn how to do restoration on vintage photographs and colorize black and white images. Retouching is great fun, and it is a very useful skill to have in the creative industry. If you are good at it, you can change images completely, and it will be hard to tell what was the original photo by the time you finish. Well,